So we've gone over plants, and now you're going to need something to put them in. Let's talk about pots. There are a lot of things to consider when you're choosing containers for your outdoor plants, and this lesson will run through the main things you need to keep in mind. First up is drainage, and this one's easy. Make sure your container has holes in the bottom. These are essential to allow excess water to escape and prevent the roots from becoming waterlogged, which will eventually kill your plant. If you're planting into a pot without any drainage holes, make sure to drill some. They really have to be there. Next, you need to think about weight. When you add together the weight of your container, soil, plants, and water, things start to get very, very heavy. If you're planting up high, you need to make sure that your balcony, windowsill, or rooftop can hold this combined weight. Will you need to move the plants around regularly? If you do, you need to choose a lighter pot or put it on wheels so that it can be easily rolled to a new position. On the other hand, the container needs to be substantial enough in order to counterbalance the weight of a large plant or a top-heavy plant. It means especially when it's windy, it's not just going to blow over. Certain container materials, such as unglazed terracotta, are porous. This means that they can get more airflow around the plant's root system, but it also means that the soil will dry out more quickly. As a result, you need to check the soil more regularly in these pots, as you may need to water them more frequently. In our next lesson, we'll go over how to pot up your outdoor plants.